I'm going to be showing you how to make a photo collage using Google Photos. It's really simple to do, but if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is head on over to the Google Photos app. This can be on your iPhone. Once it's loaded, you're going to find your entire photo collection on Google Photos. Then just select the ones you want in your collage. And at this point, you can select however many you want. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to be choosing 4. Okay, so now that I've selected the 4 that I want, all you want to do is head on over to the bottom and click create. At this point, you're going to see different options, but you want to hit collage. And at this point, this is what it looks like. You can change the variation of how the collage looks, but you can also change the positioning and the size of any of your images. If you hold it down, you can change it to any different direction that you want. And if you just tap on an image, you can actually press edit to do individual crops. And then I can rotate it if I want to, or change the positioning from inside the box. And if you find that you're not actually wanting a certain picture, or if it doesn't fit in your collage too well, you could just click it and press replace. But it's as simple as that. And the more images that you have in your collage, the more variation you're going to have for the layout of your collage. But it's really simple to do, and I definitely use Google Photos, as a lot of apps actually require you to pay to make a collage. So Google Photos is definitely the way to go.